Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Here's how to create this classic color-changing outfit video. Clip 1. Take a video of yourself tapping your outfit. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in our description. Start with a blank clip on InShot. Tap Canvas, Background, and change the color of your background. Tap PIP and import your video. Press autofill to fit to screen. Now scrub to where you first tap your sweater and split the clip. Tap Cutout, Chroma, and adjust the strength and shadows. Now split the clip so it syncs with your taps. Tap Canvas, Background, and change the color of each clip. And you're done! What items will you use this color-changing trick on? Let us know in the comments. Here are the final results. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.